Hey bestie, welcome back to my channel. It's your faves girl here, IAMJESSFECHI, and I welcome you to today's video. So today's video, I'm going to be creating a YouTube thumbnail for you guys. Teach you guys a step-by-step process how I create my own YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, it's very easy, and I'm going to be using the app called Pixellab. In case if you don't have the app on your phone, please download it. It's the best, it's a lifesaver, honestly. So without no further delay, let's hop right into the video. Welcome back. If it is your first time on my channel, you know how we do it here. Welcome. I welcome you all to this family. We're best of friends. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And if this is not your first time, welcome bestie. Thanks for the love, thanks for the show of support, thanks for liking my videos, thanks for always watching, thanks for sharing. I really appreciate you all. You guys are the real MVPs. So yeah, I'm going to be using the app called Pixellab, and I will show you the step-by-step how I do my YouTube thumbnails. What are the things I do? If there are things if there are pictures I download, everything, you guys are going to be seeing it. So let's get right into it. This is the app. Opening up right now, so I'll show you guys, but I'm going to be showing more. I'm going to be showing the video of it now, so you guys can concentrate and see all what I do. Click on OK. After that, then you click on background. You enable it. Then you choose the background you want your text to be placed on. You scroll around, choose the background that you want your text to be placed on. I chose orange at first, but I decided to change it to black. After you might have chosen your background, then you click on the mark sign. And since my background and my text are both in the same color, so I scroll back to color of the text and I change my text to white. And then you click on the mark sign. After that, you scroll down to shadow, click on enable, pick a color that you want your text shadow to be in. And then you reduce the opacity of the shadow. You reduce it to whichever percentage you like, but I left mine at 56%. And then you click on the mark sign. After that, you click on the pen sign to edit a new text. And here I'm writing a YouTube thumbnail. And you click on OK. You adjust it however you like. And also, based on the font you're choosing, it will require you to either reduce your text or increase the size of the text based on how big or small you want it to be. And here you choose font, you pick a font that you want, whichever font you want, because there are a whole lot of fonts here, like I said before. So play around with the fonts, look out for the one that best suits your brand or what you want to create. And after you might have choose your font, you click on OK. Then you scroll down. Here I'm trying to increase the size of my image, of my text, I mean, because it was smaller than I wanted it to be. After that, you click on the mark sign. Then you scroll down. You go to background. I went to background. I enabled it, and I picked a color. I picked an orange color for this background text. And then I clicked on the mark sign. And after that, I scroll down to color, and then I change the color of the text to white. After that, you scroll down and click on the shadow. Enable it, pick a color, and then reduce the opacity of the shadow. I left mine again at 56. Then you click on the mark sign after you're done with that. After that, you lock the text, then click on the pen sign to create another text. And this is how you play around, create text with different texture, different opacity, different fonts for your thumbnail. Easy peasy. And here I just want to write width. After you write the width, then you click on the OK sign. You don't have to create a thumbnail exactly the way I'm creating mine. Just play around in the app. Use a lot of the features in the app to create your thumbnail. You don't have to do it exactly the way I'm doing it, but I'm just trying to show you a guideline on how to create your thumbnail, the easy way on how to create a thumbnail. But if you still want to go overboard, this app is here to help you out with that. Writing Pixellab, the last word I need to create my YouTube thumbnail. I bring it down to exactly the place I want it to be. Then I click on the A sign, scroll down, click on size to increase the size, and then after that I click on the mark sign. I scroll down, stay here trying to pick a size that I want. After that I scroll down, I go to color, I pick a color that I want it to be in. Pick a color that I want it to be in, and then after I'm done with that, I'll click on the mark sign as well. And then I scroll down to font, then I enable it. Okay, this is background. First off, I pick a background color. I picked white for this background color. You can play with colors, but just make sure there are not more than 3 colors, as you guys can see. Okay, I think mine is no more than 3 or 4 colors. After I finished with the font for the Pixellab, set it the way I want it to be, change the color, and after I was done changing the color to the color I wanted, I click on the mark sign and then I lock the image, and then I click on the plus sign and choose from gallery, and then I picked the Pixellab logo. Mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes until I found that app called Pixellab, and I tried it. At first, I wasn't able to get the hang of the app, but as time goes on, I started experimenting, and I even did a course. I attended a training where a lady taught more about some apps, graphic design, and then she majorly used what is it called, the app called Pixellab for a lot of the flyers and all sorts, those kind of things that she taught us in the training, and that was where I learned how to use Pixellab. And on my own, I also practiced it very well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please try it out and tell me what you think. If you got it. And keep trying, keep trying until you get the hang of it, and I assure you, you will enjoy the app. The more you learn how to do things on that app, the more you want to do more things, you want to learn more. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, please, best friend, what are you waiting for? Just click that subscribe button. It is that red one that you're seeing right now as you're watching this video. Click the button and join this beautiful family. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye for now, bestie.